Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So maybe you saw my giant haul video yesterday. I bought a ton of these Knorr sides. If you haven't seen that haul video, it's a great deal. I will link it in the description box below. But maybe you went out and did the deal and are like, what am I going to do with all this stuff? There's definitely things you can do besides just making these as side dishes. Now, I'm definitely going to do that. My husband is a side person. Like, all our meals have to have a side. I'm not like that. I can just eat one thing and be, completely okay with that. But maybe it's because I'm the one cooking it and less dishes is better. But anyway, my husband likes sides. So I will be doing that. But don't be intimidated by this deal and think, well, I don't even know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. You can totally make meals out of it. Depending on the size of your family, you may need to use 2 bags at one setting. It's me and my husband and my 2 kids. My kids are pretty small, 2 and 4, but they can eat sometimes like teenagers. So it just depends on what it is. But I'm going to give you some ideas. Please, please, please leave your ideas in the description box or in the comment section below. There's lots of varieties you can also choose from. I just picked the ones that I know that we would use. So here's just a few of the ones that I bought. I did buy a lot of these cheesy cheddar ones because I thought these would be just something my kids will just eat and I might not have to add anything to them. This right here is a cheddar broccoli. I think I'm going to make a cheesy broccoli chicken casserole. I'll just cook up some chicken. Probably make 2 bags of it. 2 bags of these. I did grab 2 of them. I'll probably also cook some broccoli and add that as well. Maybe add some Velveeta cheese, stir it all together and put it in a crock pot to keep warm, or maybe even in a casserole dish and sprinkle some cheddar on the top. This stuff here, I think I'm going to make a cheesy Ritz chicken casserole. I have a recipe video. I think I have a video on that. Anyway, I might film some of these recipe videos and put them out. If you're interested in that, let me know. But I'm just going to do cream of chicken soup. Again, cooked chicken, and then you put Ritz on the top. It is super good. You add Velveeta cheese. I won't need to add as much because it does have some inside of it. Lots of different things. And these things even have like recipe ideas on the back. That actually looks pretty good. I'll probably change up some of the stuff if I decide to make that. That's what I'm doing with that. Spanish rice. We do eat tacos and like Mexican foods. Frequently, we switch between chicken tacos and beef tacos. Most of the time, it's chicken. But anyway, guys, you can actually use Spanish rice inside your tacos to help fill it up so you're not using as much meat. I've also added some Velveeta to this and made it like Velveeta or cheesy rice. You can do all kinds of stuff, and we really like this stuff. Now my kids won't eat this. I think it's too spicy. So we would only use 1 bag. This fettuccine pasta, I'm going to definitely add some cooked chicken. Or I've been getting those Purdue grilled chickens. I have those up in the freezer. So that would be super easy to just cut some of that up, cook one of these, maybe do some garlic bread and a salad. Anyway, you could even add shrimp if you want to get a little fancy. But that's just some of the ideas that I'm doing with all this side stuff. Again, let me know what varieties you grabbed, what meals you want to make with them. Share with everyone. So thanks for watching this video. Hope the thumbnail wasn't too weird because I felt super weird making it. Anyway, guys, have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.